students have been busy all morning planting lots of these. Students from Longford Intermediate, and we're here in the Hokanui Runanga wetland, and you've been part of the restoration of this area. So, what's your name?
I'm Max.
Max?
And I'm Jaden.
And Jaden, nice to meet you. Can you tell us a bit about what you've been up to?
Well, we've just been planting these trees and just planting them and moving the weeds from around them.
Ah, right, so a big job. Max, tell us a bit about how you've done this.
So first we just have to dig a nice hole for it, and then we put the plant in, and then we just need to cover it around it, the top of it, and then we put this guard over it to protect it from the wind and all the weeds.
Right, so you'll have to come back here.
Yep.
Yeah.
In about, say,
A couple of months.
yeah.
Ah, so it's an ongoing project, and you actually planted here before.
Yeah.
Yep.
Last year.
Last year, yep.
Oh, excellent. And I can see some quite big plants. Must be quite satisfying to see those plants growing that much.
Yeah, it is.
Excellent. Oh, well, I'll leave you to your mahi. Keep up the good work, and we might go and see how some of the weeding's done. But kia ora, thank you.
Thank you.
See ya.
Kia ora, girls, doing a bit of weeding, I see.
Yeah,
What's your name?
my name's Tara.
Nice to meet you, Tara.
And I'm Regan.
Nice to meet you too, Regan. So weeding, it's not just about tearing up plants. Tell us about how you make sure that this plant is going to stay healthy.
Well, first you take off the guard. It helps when it's small, it helps it grow better. And you'd also like to see if there's any weed like grass overlapping it, because you don't want it to overlap it or else the plant won't grow.
Right. So you've been pulling away the grassy weeds, and will you end up putting the guard back on?
No, because it's actually already like grown big, so you won't need to, because it will keep on growing. And it's nice and strong, so it should support it itself.
Yeah, it's growing pretty well. Well, you've done a great job there. I can see the weeds are all well back. Good stuff. Hey, thanks for sharing that. Kia ora.
You're welcome.
Well, hasn't it been neat to see the work of ākonga from Longford Intermediate helping to restore this wetland, and hopefully it inspires you to get involved in a restoration project in your own rohi. Well, that's enough talking. I think I should go and plant something.